What did I just do?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hi guys. I look a mess, but I just felt the need to have my natural hair out, wild and free, for what might as well be the very last time, but you know, never say never. I look proper mad. I think I've managed to kind of keep this in a not so crazy state. So guys, yeah, so I have decided to relax my hair after, I don't even know, I think, is it up to 5 years? 4 or 5 years, I'm not quite sure. And I don't know. If you watch my vlogs, you know I've always been contemplating this. I've mentioned it several times. I did a silk press. I just feel like, to be honest, getting a silk press in this part of the world is just a scam because it's just too humid and hot to expect that to last a reasonable amount of time. Literally, you're through the door and you're already freezing up, so that didn't work. What else? I don't know, I was just over it, and I feel like I've come to the point in my life where more and more I just know what I want and what I don't want. Me transitioning, because I was relaxed all through secondary school, and I said transitioning in uni, like the beginning of uni. So I didn't really have a reason to. I honestly wasn't upset with my hair. I just felt like, oh, it was a thing. My sister had done it, and I was like, oh wow. And the afro was so intriguing. I never carried an afro a day in my life, but you know, I was just like, yeah, let me just jump on the bandwagon. And I feel like why it has gone this long is that I'm the type of person, like when I've invested my time in something, it's so hard to like let it go. I'm just like, oh my god, all my time. Maybe when you don't like that thing, or that thing is no more like satisfying you or doing you any good, just like, oh my god, so much time. And that's actually how I felt about my relaxed hair. I just felt like about my natural hair, it's like, I'm natural, might as well just push. People always tell me my hair is full. My hair is actually quite full. I don't know about length, but fullness, my hair is pretty full, and I just felt like I wasn't wearing my hair that much. I had told you guys I now liked experimenting with my hair, so I would do so many hairstyles. And it was so funny, like actually haven't been thinking about this for very long. It's been crossing my mind, but seriously, I started contemplating it like a week ago. It's not something so deep, and it's really, really spontaneous, but I know that this is what I want. I just felt like I can't keep living my life from one hairstyle to the other because I just don't have the strength to handle my hair. It's too much. It's too much. Like, my hair isn't technically 4C. It's a bit more manageable, but like I just feel like it's just not for me. And I think you know, we get crucified being a black girl, admitting that this thing is just not for you. Like, yes, be natural, woohoo, love your roots, but it's just not for me. It's just not for me. And lately I haven't been loving wearing wigs. I can't stand frontals. I don't like it. Again, they take out your edges and I'm like a big no. Then I just stopped liking wigs and I just started doing more braids. But even with the braids and this, I just really want to like fill my hair, and I can't because do this one, they'll say it's a break. Do this one, it's like, bro, what is this? So yeah, I just want to see my hair out more. I want to get micro links, most likely for my birthday actually. So yeah, I know what I want. I'm going to be 25. Like I know what I want, and I don't want to. I feel like I'm pressured. It feels like, oh my god, it's taboo to even say I want to relax my hair, but I do want to relax my hair. Like I really do. I'm tired. I want to be able to. This is just nice because I just loosened my hair earlier. That's why I can do this. When it's really like, you guys know, when it's down back to being kinky, I cannot handle it. Like I don't. And you know, what really pushed me over the edge and deciding if I wanted to do this is I found a YouTuber called Hairlicious, and honestly, I've literally watched almost all her videos. Her hair is relaxed, but it is so healthy. I don't know who came up with this, that your hair can't be healthy and relaxed, or can be relaxed and healthy. Her hair is healthy, it is strong, it still has some texture, but it's definitely relaxed, not text-lax. An example of things I didn't know is, like, she said when you're relaxing your hair, the relaxed ends of your hair has no business with more relaxer. The relaxer should only be on the new growth. And she literally douses her hair with like dark screen to make sure that the new growth relaxer doesn't even enter that, because that's what makes your hair brittle, not full. Guys, check her out. Her hair is amazing. So after watching a couple of her videos, and I was seeing like basically the routine she was doing were very similar to like what people in the natural hair community do. And I was like, oh my god, you can actually do the same thing just on relaxed hair, which is a lot more manageable for me. Just fits my lifestyle right now. I don't know, I'm just turning away from a lot of things. I don't like the frontal look, I don't like the wig look. I like my hair growing from my scalp. Oh my god, I sound like my mom. I've been really sticking with my natural nails because I've just been liking that. Just more me and less artificial. Nothing is wrong with that. I've definitely been through the wig phase, everything, and I'm over the phase. Maybe I'll go back to it, maybe I'll cut it. I don't know, I just feel like there should no rules. I think I'm talking for long. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to let you guys know. So tomorrow is my appointment, 1 p.m. I'm doing it at Taupe. There's no way I'm relaxing my hair myself. Again, it's just not me. But I'm definitely going to try and keep my relaxed hair healthy. I have been, again, like I said, I've been watching all her videos, you know, looking at the products, how she does it, all of that. And yeah, I'm very excited for this new journey. And if you are contemplating doing it, or maybe you want to do it, but you're scared of like natural hair, we all do it. It's hair, it will grow back. You cut it to grow back. People talking about heat damage. I really don't care. It's really not that deep for me. It's really not. But yeah, that is it. This hair is, I think it's basically over 4 years. People always do this length. I don't even know how to do it. Wait, how do I? So, wait. How do you do this? I'm so bad at this. Guys, I know nothing. Wait, give me a moment. This is embarrassing. Okay. I just want to see. Oh, how do I get this over my head? So, I think it's almost like bra length. I'm trying not to do like this so you can get. Are you guys saying things? Sorry, I'm wearing a black shirt, but yeah, this is kind of like where my hair is. And excited to see where it stops when I relax it. Will I still be doing braids? Yes. Will I still be doing wigs? Yes. So why am I relaxing it? Because I want to. Okay. Because I want to. The fact that I relax it doesn't mean I have to leave it out all the time. It's my hair. Alright? So please, I don't even know why I'm saying it. I still gonna talk. But anyway, I'm just gonna tell you guys, don't live your life for anybody but yourself. Because you have one life. Okay? There are no do-overs. But yeah, that's basically what this video is about. Okay? I'm going to bed now because I'm tired. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Hi guys, good morning. It's relaxed today, and I am as relaxed as can be. I'm so ready for this. I'm so ready. Like, I don't know, I just thought I'll be like, oh my god, but no, maybe when it's down the point of like actually putting the relaxer on my head, it's done on me. But Besides that, I'm ready. God, it's so windy. But yeah, I've actually not been driving because my car is at the mechanic, and let me tell you, it has just been really frustrating and annoying because I have so many errands to run, but I just feel lazy. I'm like, who's doing all of that? I just go home. But yeah, that's what I want to do.
Yes, I'm Ketsura. So I'll be taking care of your hair today. So how are you feeling? You excited?
I'm scared. I'm excited. I'm actually excited. I'm tired.
You're moving to a new apartment.
Yeah. This is relaxing.
No, it's a base.
This is You set the timer after applying?
Yes.
Turn to a savage, I got violence, she call me daddy. Smoking that gas, call out that sign, and she on the powder. Nowadays, I am on my head, I got sadder. Money got long, still got louder, car got faster.
What did I just do? So far, no pain, no itch. Happy itch is here. Hi guys! Hi! So I'm back now and I'll be lying if I say I have any regrets. No regrets so far. The minute she didn't even warn me, she just slapped on my hair. The minute she did, I was like, yes, everything. Like I thought I would actually honestly be sad because I was really contemplating it for such a long time, but when it was down to it, I was ready to get it over with. Like, are you kidding me? I got a trim as well. Just have it in this high pony. It's just chill. It's me. I'm so happy with it. And yeah, I'm so happy I went to the salon I went to. They are pricey, but everything she was doing, because again I researched because I really want to have like healthy relaxed hair this time and actually want to take care of my hair. It's just more manageable this way. I'm not going to spend hours detangling, so I've really been educating myself on the process, and they were doing every single thing that I didn't have to say anything. I didn't even pick the hairstylist. So you know, she started from the bottom because the roots of your hair, they get moisture from your scalp, so they will tend to relax faster than the ends of your hair. So it's important the person starts from the ends and waits for a while so that they all like, she just got every single thing. They applied something on my head. I can't remember what she called it, but literally, guys, nothing was burning, nothing was itching, just towards the very end, because she did my edges the last. Like, she literally did my edges, like that was the last thing she did. And all the years I was relaxing my hair, they had never done it for me like that. So I was very, very impressed. I was like, because I expected it from them, because they should know how to do all these things properly with how much they charge and everything. So it was really, really good. Nothing burnt, nothing. I told her I didn't want it bone straight, and when she was washing and blow drying, I could see that it still had a little bit of texture, but again, I didn't want it text-lax because I was going all the way. But yes, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy I did it. Yeah, this is me. If you still love your natural hair, that is great. If you're relaxed, welcome me to the team. I've been gone for 5 years and I'm back, and I don't think I'm ever leaving. Like, if anything, I don't know, it's how this thing is shaking from me. I still not even trying to even shake it. So I think the drastic change would be to cut my hair, which I really don't think I'm going to do anytime soon. I really want to enjoy this. But yeah, I think I had so much to say, honestly, but I can't remember. But yeah, she did something on my scalp. She used Affirm. That was the relaxer she used. One of the relaxers I had come across while educating myself, either Oral S, the big box, the big tub, not the boxed one, or Affirm. And I was really happy when I heard they were using Affirm. It's not so harsh, it's really nice, and yeah, I had an amazing experience. So that's what it did. In case you're wondering, I spent about 50k everything. So that's the relaxing, the blow drying, trimming, the whole package. That's what I spent, and I'm really, really happy. I didn't imagine me just transitioning and then I go somewhere and they burn my scalp. What a welcome. So I didn't want to risk that. I didn't want to talk too much. And I was so relaxed. It was an amazing experience. And I'm so happy, guys. So yeah, so let's give you guys a review. These are the results. I don't want to take it down. I'm about to go shower right now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next one. If you're still here, please give this a big thumbs up. Let's get to 5,000 likes and maybe 300 comments. All right, love you guys. Bye.